loves, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. If you're new to my channel, darling, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, I'm just going to show you guys what I did to my hair. So I got my hair cut done on Saturday, which was 3rd of June. Like, I'm working on a video, like a week in my hair kind of video, but this video is going to be up today. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna come here and tell you guys what's up. So after I got my hair cut done on Saturday, the next day was Sunday, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do to my hair after getting it done, or like my routine when I'm going out or something like that. So that's what this video is about. So if that's what you're interested in, then most definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos, and be sure to watch this video to the end because I have a good news for you guys at the end of the video. Okay, endeavor to watch the video to the end, okay, and I'll definitely see you guys. Keep on watching. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm going to apply color activator, but I've sprayed perfume on my hair because I want my hair to smell nice as well. Color activator I use Jack 5. You can use whichever you have. As far as it is a coil activator, do not use Eco Styling Gel as a coil activator for your gel coil. If not, you're going to ruin your gel coil. You're going to ruin your hair. I plan not to comb my hair out. I want the coils to show, so I am not combing it out. So I'm planning not to comb it out. Unlike before, I will just comb it out, but I'm not going to comb my hair out. Hair wax. I'll use this comb. You can see now it looks a little bit fuller and not scanty because this is what she was doing like when she finished. So instead of me to comb the hair out, I think I prefer doing it this way because I want these curls to last longer and I don't want my hair to dry out too fast. Okay, that is cute. Color activator. So this is how it's looking nice. Next thing, I'll go in with oil sheen spray. This is Pro Line. Just going to spray my hair so my hair will shine. I'm done with the hair, so what I'll do, I'll just apply a little bit of hair wax on my eyebrow and brush it. And then I'll tap it. I'm just using tissue to just damp it a bit so that it will stick and it will stay, because I really do not want to have a lot of product on my face. Really excited with this whole Jericho journey, like the decision I just made for myself, and I don't know if I would definitely get tired of it, but till then I'm still going to rock my hair. And yeah, I just thought I should tell you guys, yes, your girl is really growing, and I'm really happy that you guys are coming along with me in this whole Jericho hair journey, and you guys are starting your own Jericho hair journey. And I have something to tell you guys. I really can't wait for me to like have those products in my hair and share with you guys. But there is this brand that I am now a brand ambassador of, which is called CURLFIT, and hopefully my package is going to arrive soon. But guess what? This brand, they sell tempera hair color. So all of my JOVOU babes who are so interested in dyeing their hair, giving their hair a little bit of color, giving their hair a little bit of life, this brand is definitely the one you've been looking for. Like, guys, you guys know I'm obsessed about not ruining my hair or like causing more damage to my hair, and this brand is the perfect one for you. Like, this color doesn't cause any damage, no breakage, nothing. I really can't wait to apply it on my hair, though I know I'm not really a fan of like dyeing my hair and all that, but this is a tempera hair color, and this is a brand that I always wanted to work with. I'm so excited to be part of the community, CURLFIT community. I want you guys to come along with me in this journey as well, so you guys know I always got you covered. I have a discount code. So now the discount code is JOV10, JOV10. The links are going to be down in my description, so be sure to check it out, honey. It's in my description. Just click via the title of this video and you're going to see the description is going to pop out. Okay, so my Nigerian subbies, you can purchase from the first link, the one in bracket Nigeria, and then for my US JOVOU babes, you also have your separate link. It's going to be down as well. UK, US, wherever you are in the world, you can purchase from this brand and it will be delivered to you, whatever race you are. If you have coily hair, if you have relaxed hair, if you have natural, afro, and just want to give your hair a little bit of color, then this brand is literally a good to go for you. I just thought I should tell you guys, but you guys know I'm going to give you guys the tea once the product arrives. I'm going to unbox everything with you. Yes, I really can't wait. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks so much for all your support so far. I hope my videos are very helpful to each and every one of you. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.